It's October 2, and this is an update on the renovation of the building for the Route 66 Spirit of America Museum, opening later this year in Stroud. We've removed all the sheetrock from the reception area room because there was water damage, and we need to get rid of all the debris the water damage created. This is the welcome and gift shop room, currently storing various materials. This is the big open Star Trek and NASA and many other things room, where the sheetrock again has been removed and the white coloring is from the anti-mold treatment. The wall has been pushed back for the storage room so that we have enough space for a wheelchair to turn when it enters into the handicap bathroom. We have work being done in the future bathroom laundry room. Again, we've taken down the sheetrock in this room. This is the Tell Your Story room, and got the anti-mold treatment. Taking down the sheetrock in the future theater room. Again, anti-mold treatment. This is my future living space. Doorway will, of course, be close to the doorway for the bathroom and laundry room. We also have the future kitchen and dinette space. No water damage on that side of the building, fortunately. The future office of Clark Kent, being used to store old insulation. And the suspended ceiling has been removed. There will be new light fixtures. But basically we are dealing with cleaning up damage from the old water leak prior to the electrician coming in to do all of his work. That's the status on October 2. Thanks for watching.